The International Monetary Fund has raised India's GDP forecast to 7% for 2024-25. The IMF on Tuesday raised India's forecast for growth for this year to 7%. Earlier, just to give you a background, was 6.8%. Now, this is going to be interesting with regard to the improving private consumption, but also as Asia's third largest economy's gross domestic product in the financial year in the world, it has said it's going to be, this is an interesting statement coming in. I want to immediately bring in my colleague Sakshi Batra from Business Today. Sakshi, help break down this for us and for the viewer as well. What does it mean when IMF has said that it's going to be 7% growth forecast, not 6.8?
Absolutely, Pooja. It's good news. And yet again, a week before the union budget is going to be presented, one more vote of confidence coming in from the global agency IMF, International Monetary Fund, now believing that India's growth could be at 7% for FY25. That's the current fiscal year. This is due to the private consumption boost that we have seen over the recent times, especially in rural areas. Remember, in the recent elections, the one space that the BJP-led NDA government was facing flack over was that the rural recovery hasn't come in. And this is exactly on the basis of which IMF has now increased the growth forecast as well, that private consumption is picking up in rural areas. This could be a great sign for the upcoming budget as well, and for the government too. Remember, the forecast for India has been revised upwards, with the change reflecting carryover from upward revisions to growth in 2023 as well. Remember, in FY26, however, IMF does expect the growth to slow down to 6.5%. So it is for this year that's been raised to 7%. Remember, before this, even the RBI, our own central bank, had increased the forecast for this year to 7.2% as well for FY25. Already in FY24, we've expanded at 8.2%. This is also a many-year high that we are looking at as well. So a strong move that's coming in. This is despite IMF, consistently maintaining the global growth forecast at 3.5%. So it is the India story that is looking stronger today.
Fingers crossed. Let's hope that it remains stable and a strong economy for India. Also remember, for those who may not know, it was the IMF director, remember, who had said that India is the only bright spot on an otherwise dark horizon, specifically after the COVID pandemic. Thank you very much for this, Sakshi. Hopefully we'll have and we'll look for these days of strong and stable economy in the days to come.